What's up guys, I'm Kenna with Kenna's Kitchen and I'm going to show you how to use your razor sharp Ninja Foodi NeverDull knives to achieve all your kitchen needs. Each system comes equipped with a chef, santoku, paring, and steak knives, as well as a pair of shears. To demonstrate just how versatile these high-usage kitchen tools can be, we're going to chop, slice, and dice our way through a delicious seared ribeye steak recipe. To start, you'll want to prep your ingredients. You'll need 2 14 to 16 ounce ribeyes, 4 garlic cloves, and 1 large shallot, as well as 1 pound of mixed mushrooms for that delicious brandy mushroom sauce. We'll also need 5 large yellow potatoes and 1 bunch of chives for some tasty mashed potatoes. All right, we'll start by prepping our side of mashed potatoes. The Ninja paring knife is a great tool for delicate work, such as peeling fruits and veggies. Use your Ninja paring knife to carefully peel your potatoes. The 5-inch Ninja Santoku knife is designed with oval indents along the blade to prevent food from sticking. It's perfect for effortlessly gliding through potatoes and large vegetables. While the potatoes boil, let's prep our other veggies. Start by cleaning your mushrooms with cool water. Pat them dry and slice them lengthwise using your Ninja chef knife. The chef knife is a versatile, multi-purpose knife best used for slicing, chopping, mincing, and dicing. We'll also use the chef knife to prep our shallot. To peel the shallot, simply cut off the stem and remove the skin. Next, cut the shallot into thin slices using your chef knife. Finally, we'll prep our chives. Rinse them under cold running water and gently pat them dry with a paper towel. Then use your Ninja shears to snip the chives into small pieces. The shears are best used for snipping and cutting herbs without bruising. Now let's move on to our main event, the ribeyes. Dry the steaks off with a paper towel and season them liberally with salt and pepper. We're gonna sear these steaks using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over a medium-high heat while basting them with butter, thyme, and garlic. They are gonna be scrumptious. These ribeyes are fantastic topped with that delicious brandy mushroom sauce and served over mashed potatoes. We're gonna garnish those with some fresh parsley and then they will be ready to enjoy. Dive in with your professional steakhouse quality Ninja steak knives designed to slice effortlessly through meats without tearing. Now, some configurations of the Ninja NeverDull knife system come equipped with a slicing, boning, utility, and bread knives designed for specialty use. I'm going to demonstrate the versatility of your Ninja specialty knives for prepping some of my favorite ingredients. The slicing knife is used to cut thin slices of large vegetables, fruits, roasted meats, and cold cuts. The boning knife is uniquely designed to fillet fish and separate meat from the bone. The utility knife is a versatile, all-purpose knife, great for thin slicing, trimming, and filleting. The bread knife has a serrated edge, great for slicing through breads, as well as the skins of tomatoes and citrus fruit. If you're looking for more recipe inspirations or have questions about your new Ninja Foodi NeverDull knife system, visit us at ninjatestkitchen.com and don't forget to join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.